Hello students. Today let us learn about class 8th chapter number 13, that is practical geometry. So in this class we are going to learn how to construct a quadrilateral. Okay. So in the last year we learned about construction of triangles. So to construct a triangle we require minimum 3 sides or one angle, two sides. We require minimum 3 points to construct a triangle. So here to construct a quadrilateral, so minimum how many points we require? Yes. So is it enough? If we got 4 sides, is it enough to construct a quadrilateral? Yes, we will see. No, we cannot construct with the 4 sides. Let us see with the triangles. So in last 7th standard we learned about construction of triangles. So if we have 3 sides we can construct a unique triangle. Okay. So now we will see about construction of quadrilaterals. Do you think 4 measurements would be sufficient? Draw a unique 4-sided closed figure, that is quadrilateral. So for example, if we have 4 sides, that is sides are 3 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Is it gives a unique quadrilateral? Here is these sides, here is the 3 figures are there. Means that with these sides we cannot draw a unique quadrilateral. Yes. So then how many points we require to construct a unique quadrilateral? So to construct a unique quadrilateral we require minimum 5 points to construct a unique quadrilateral. That may be 4 sides and with the one diagonal. Yes. So then we can construct a unique quadrilateral. So in this chapter we are going to construct quadrilaterals and special quadrilaterals, that may be kite, trapezium, parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle. The special quadrilaterals will be constructed depend upon these properties and its angles, and commonly we can construct about quadrilaterals with the following points. Okay. So construction of quadrilateral, that is we need at least minimum 5 points, that are first one we need 4 sides and one diagonal, then second 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given, third when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given, fourth when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given, and finally when other special properties are known, that is about special quadrilaterals. Okay. So we will see first one, that is when 4 sides. We will see one example about when 4 sides and one diagonal are given. Okay. Yes. Here is one example. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equal to 3.6 centimeter, BC equal to 5.5 centimeter, CD equal to 4.9 centimeter, DA equal to 5.3 centimeter and AC equal to 7.2 centimeter. So here 4 sides are given and one diagonal is given. So with this we can construct a unique quadrilateral. Yes. Answer is yes, we can construct. So for this firstly we have to think about a rough diagram about a quadrilateral. Okay. So what we will do, we will draw a rough sketch about the quadrilateral, that is with the same sides, or you can take sides as same as it is, or you can take a roughly figure. So what we'll do, we'll take it as ABCD and we will draw the diagonal AC. Okay. So figure will look like in the rough diagram it is mentioned here, it will look like in the same figure. So to construct this one, already last year we constructed triangle. Yes. So we also know that AC of a quadrilateral will divide a quadrilateral into 2 triangles. So what we will do, we will construct by using the triangle. Yes. So we will take AC as a diagonal, we will draw first, then on the upper side it will come a vertex B and below it will come D. Yes, vertex D. Okay. So first what we will do, we will draw a triangle ABC then afterwards in below we will take it as vertex D and we will join that also. Okay. So first we will draw diagonal AC, that is 7.2 centimeter. Then in step 2 we will taking A as a center, we will draw the AB as an arc with the side 3.6 centimeter, and taking C as a center, we will draw a arc BC as a 5.5 centimeter, so that the both arc will intersect at point B. So this is taken as a point B. So let them join AB and BC respectively. Okay. So next it is we have to do the construction of AD and CD. So it is given already AD equal to 5.3 centimeter. We will draw an arc, that is AD, taking A as a center, and CD is 4.9 centimeter. Draw an arc to intersect previous arc at D. Okay, so both arcs will intersect at point D. So this will taken as a point D. So joining AD and CD will obtain a unique quadrilateral ABCD with the following measurements. Okay, so in this way we can construct other quadrilaterals. It may be having 2 angles, 3 sides. So in this way we can construct the quadrilateral. Okay, thank you. Yes.